Good morning friends, my name is Rakesh Doshi, lecturer of Raigad College of Pharmacy. Yesterday seeing reaction of benzene in Google Meet lecture. Okay, today is uh, preparing a video lecture for Moodle online course. Okay, in this video lecture studying reactions of benzene. Okay, reactions of benzene in electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions are occur. An electrophile react with an aromatic ring and substitute for one of the hydrogen. Benzene does not undergo addition reaction because addition would yield a product that is not aromatic. Okay. 5 main electrophilic substitution reactions found. First one aromatic halogenation, second one aromatic nitration, third one Friedel-Crafts alkylation, fourth one Friedel-Crafts acylation, and the last one, fifth, aromatic sulfonation. Okay, these are the 5 main electrophilic substitution reaction. General mechanism reactions. Okay, first step, formation of electrophile. Then second step, formation of uranium positive ion. Okay, then third step, loss of proton. Okay, this is the general mechanism of the electrophilic substitution reaction. First mechanism of first reaction, aromatic halogenation. In this aromatic halogenation, reactants using benzene and halogen in chlorine and bromine. Okay, some conditions are required. Leic acid like FeCl3 or FeBr3 are using. Analogous reaction with I2 and F2 are not synthetically useful because I2 is too unreactive and F2 is too violently. Okay, some electrophiles, chlorine and bromine. These are the example of the aromatic halogenation. In this first case, no reactions was found. Decolorization not observed. Okay. In this second step, using FeBr3. Okay. Formation of product bromobenzene. Okay. Mechanism of halogenation reaction. Step 1, formation of chlorine or bromide electrophile. Okay, in first step. Second step, electrophilic substitution. The electrophile attacks the pi electron system of the benzene ring to form uranium ion. Okay. Third step, loss of proton to reform aromatic ring. In this last step, formation of the stable ring, 1-bromobenzene was formed. Function of leic acid, increase the polarity of halogen molecule to produce positive halogen ions, fluoride or bromide electrophile. Okay. Second electrophilic substitution reaction, aromatic nitration. In case of reactants using benzene and concentrated nitric acid. Okay. Some condition was using concentrated H2SO4. This was the example of the aromatic nitration. Okay. Formation of product nitrobenzene. Mechanism of nitration reaction. First step, formation of nitronium ion. Okay. Then sulfuric acid ionized to produce a proton. Nitric acid accepts a proton from a stronger acid H2SO4 and form a protonated nitric acid. Okay. Then protonated nitric acid dissociate to form nitronium ion. This one nitronium ion. Step 2, electrophilic substitution. Okay. In this case, electrophilic substitution. Third step, loss of proton to reform aromatic ring. Okay. Last step, formation of aromatic ring, 1-nitrobenzene. Third reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. In this case, reactant was using benzene and alkyl halide. Condition was using catalyst, leic acid like AlCl3. Okay. These are simple reactions of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. Some example of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, formation of toluene and tertiary butyl benzene. Okay. mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. First upon formation of carbocation. Okay. In second step, electrophilic substitution. Electrophile will attack the pi electron system of the benzene ring to form an rhenium ion. Okay. This one rhenium ion. Then last step, third step, loss of proton to reform aromatic ring. Okay. Formation of OR product. Then Friedel-Crafts acylation. In this case, a reactant was using aromatic ring and acid chloride. Product, example of Friedel-Crafts acylation, product ketone condition, strong Levick acid was using. In simple reactions, benzene react with acid chloride in condition using AlCl3, formation of product ketone. The example of Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay. Mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation. Step 1, dissociation of chloride ion to form an acyl cation, acylium ion, also called as a acylium ion. Okay, this one acylium ion. Step 2, the resulting acylium ion or related adduct is subject to nucleophilic attack by the ring. Okay. Third step, chlorine anion AlCl4 deprotonated the ring to form HCl and AlCl3 catalyst is regenerated. Okay, formation of OR product by using Friedel-Crafts acylation. Some limitations of Friedel-Crafts acylation and alkylation was found. First one, Friedel-Crafts acylation will not carry with the strong electron withdrawing group like nitric acid. Second one, Friedel-Crafts acylation will not react strong electron rich group, that's like ammonia. Third one, polysubstitution reaction will not possible. Chlorinated reactant is required for reaction. Catalyst only AlCl3 to produce acylated product. Okay. Sixth one, inability to separate catalyst from the acidified product. Seventh one, temperature is required to proceed the reaction. Okay. Aromatic sulfonation. These one last 5 important reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction and other reaction also found. Okay, aromatic sulfonation. In this case, organic reaction in which hydrogen atom on an ring is replaced by sulfonic acid functional group in an electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay, this example of aromatic sulfonation reaction. Okay. Mechanism of aromatic sulfonation reaction. First step, formation of electrophile. Okay, this one formation of electrophile. Then second step, formation of carbocation. Okay, this one carbocation form. Then last step, deprotonation to form benzene sulfonic acid. Last one, formation of OR product. Okay. Mechanism. First step, the p electron of the aromatic carbon-carbon double bond act as a nucleophile. Okay, this one carbon-carbon double bond act as a nucleophile, attacking the electrophile here, pushing charge out into a electronegative oxygen atom. This destroys the aromaticity, giving the cyclohexadenyl cation intermediate. Okay, in the second step, loss of proton from the sp3 carbon bearing the sulfonyl group reform the carbon-carbon double bond and the aromatic system. Okay. In the third step, protonation of conjugated base of the sulfonic acid by sulfuric acid produce the sulfonic acid. Okay. Sixth reaction, reduction of benzene. Okay, this is a simple reaction of a reduction of benzene. Okay, by using nickel and heat also. Okay. Seventh one, oxidation and ozonolysis. When benzene react with oxygen in presence of vanadium pentoxide to produce succinic anhydride. Okay, this is the simple reaction of oxidation and ozonolysis. Okay. Summary of the electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, is on the all summary, halogenation, sulfonation, nitration. Okay. Some quiz also, काही क्विज पण याच्यावरती आपण तयार केलेले आहेत लेक्चरचे. तुम्ही Moodle ऑनलाईन कोर्सला जाऊन सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. ओके, थँक्यू.